Have you ever wanted to improve your English but found it hard to focus on boring lessons? What if I told you there is a fun and easy way to learn English with cartoons? Yes. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 amazing YouTube channels that use cartoons to teach English with simple and easy sentences. These channels will help you learn English in an entertaining and easy way. Perfect for beginners or anyone looking to improve their speaking skills. Let's dive in. First up, we have Peppa Pig. This one is a classic and perfect for beginners. Peppa's world is full of simple dialogues, everyday vocabulary, and easy to follow conversation. It's designed for young children, which means the language is clear and basic. Plus, it's super fun to watch. Next, we have Curious George. Curious George is always exploring the world around him. The language is straightforward and the episodes are full of simple sentences and real-life situations. It's also great for learning new vocabularies related to animals, natures, and basic problem solving. And last but definitely not least, the Masha and the Bear. This is my absolute favorite. It is a Russian cartoons and it's available on English too, and it's super fun to watch. The language is simple and the characters' interactions are hilarious and easy to follow. Masha's curiosity and Bear's calm nature makes their conversation relatable, which helps you understand how English is spoken in casual, friendly settings. So there you have it, 3 amazing cartoon channels that improve your English with simple sentences and lots of fun. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to improve your speaking skills, these 3 channels will help you to improve your English in an engaging and entertaining way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and comment below with your favorite cartoons, and of course, subscribe to my channel that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's keep learning together and make this journey fun. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.